We're gonna make some banana moonshine or banana brandy. I'm gonna call it banana cream pie moonshine. You wanna let your bananas get a little black. If they ain't black with flies around them, they ain't ready. I'm just kidding. You can use some of these, but you're better off letting all the sugars get good and ripen in bananas. So basically we're gonna peel our bananas, put them in a pot. I'll show you the next step. Once you get your bananas in the pot, you can put some water just above them, just a little bit. If you ain't got one of these, use a masher and just mash the crap out of them. Just added 7 pounds of brown sugar, about 7 pounds of white sugar. I'm gonna stir it up, and I'm gonna cook it. All right, after you boil it for about 10 minutes, you cut your heat off. All right, we're gonna add some yeast. I'm gonna add a little bit of yeast nutrient. And I'm gonna stir it up, cap it. All right, so cleaning up this banana mash. It's a pain in the ass, man. This is some messy shit to deal with. This is worse than the potatoes. So keep that in mind. If you do twice as much. That way you can leave all that sludge on bottom and you ain't got to strain it through a paint strainer bag like me. Just saying, it's a fucking hassle, and if you want that wine that's left behind, you're gonna have to do some tedious shit to get it. But hopefully it's well worth it with the end product. All right, I got all the nasty shit cleaned out of it. Now it's time to put it over here in this. I'm gonna pump it over. Gonna take some banana cream pie and some moonshine, put it in a blender, blend it up. I like to also put a little bit of banana cream jello pudding in there. Now we're gonna blend this up, add it to our thumper. I added it to the thumper. Now I'm gonna put the still together and start running some liquor. All right, I got her hooked up. She's ready to go. Now all I gotta do is turn it on. Crank her all the way up. All right, I got it all finished. It started out coming out at 160 proof. I ran it all the way down to 120 proof. And then that's about when the tail started coming out. And if you look, it was still coming out good and clear, but it has kind of a yellow twinge to it if you look at it. You know what I mean? Like, I think that's from that banana pudding. Maybe the dyes are coming through. I quit running it after that. Plus, I ran out of ice and snow. But let's give her a taste. So I got 2 gallons. That's a good run to me. Had I not put all that liquor, you know, put half a gallon in the thumper. Had I not done that, I wouldn't got quite 2 gallons. There's no way. That tastes so good, man. That's banana pudding. And it smells great. I really like it. Hopefully one day you get to try it. That's it. Take your mama chicken, bitch.